Hello Miss, my name is Renata Ulia from Science Study Program. In this video, I will present about the flood natural disaster. Natural disasters are disasters caused by events or a series of events caused by nature, including earthquakes, tsunami, volcanic eruption, floods, drought, hurricanes, and landslide. I take the example of flood. A flood is a natural disaster event that occurs when an excessive flow of water submerges the land. The European Union's Flood Directive defines flood as the temporary submergency by water of land that is not normally submerged in water. In the sense of running water, the word can also mean the influx of tides. Flooding is caused by the volume of water in a body of water such as a river or lake that overflows from a dam so that water comes out of the river. The size of a lake or a body of water is constantly changing according to change in rainfall and seasonal snowmelt. But the flooding that occurs is not large unless the water reaches areas that are used by humans such as village, city, and other settlements. Floods can also occur in rivers when the flow exceeds the capacity of the waterways, especially in river beds. Floods often result in damage to houses and shops built on natural river floodplains. Although flood damage can be avoided by moving away from rivers and other bodies of water, people live and work near the water to earn a living and take advantage of the follow costs and small travel and trade near the water. Humans continuing to live in flood-prone areas is proof that the value of staying near water outweighs the cost of periodic flood damage. The myth of the Great Flood is a mythological story of a great flood sent by God to destroy a civilization and great vacancy and often appears in the mythology of various cultures in the world. Floods are the most frequent natural disaster in Indonesia. Definition: flooding is a condition where an area is inundated by large amounts of water, the big one. Floods arrival can be predicted by paying attention to rainfall, rain, and waterfall. But sometimes, floods can come suddenly as a result of hurricane with or embankment. Lakes are commonly known as banjir bandang. Cause of flooding include heavy rainfall, more ground level lower than sea level. The area lies in a basin which is surrounded by hills with little water attachment. Building construction along the river bank. River flow is not smooth due to erosion by rubbish and the lack of land cover in the upstream areas, despite being in the known flood area. Everyone must remain vigilant with possible natural disaster. The preparatory steps we have to take area as follow. Organizing river must watershed from upstream to downstream in an integrated manner with land function. Establish monitoring and early warning system in areas that often flooded. Install pumps and surge barriers for lake area low above sea level. Don't build on host the river banks. Preparation at the environment as a level follow. Together with local officials cleaning up the surrounding environment, especially in drains or sewers from garbage. Determine the location of the appropriate flood command post or rivers. Complete with evacuation facilities. Public kitchen, toilet, and clean water supplies from a flood management team at the community level. Preparation at the family level as follows. If possible, raise the building the house, make a burial wall flood and protect the house with waterproof pine. Secure important documents such as birth certificate, family card, books, savings certificates, and valuables out of reach of the water. Make a rescue plan and communication in case of flooding. Prepare the availability of clean water, first aid kit, and standard evacuation tool. Things to do during a flood. Turn off the electricity in the house and contact the PLN officer for turn off the electricity. Immediately secure valuables to a better place to evacuation to higher ground as early as possible. When we leave the house, make sure it's locked and safe. Do not walk or drive in flood flows, avoiding the flow. Things to do after a flood. Immediately clean the house and yard from the remaining floodwater, mud, and trash. Be aware of the possibility of venomous animals such as snakes, centipedes, rats, cockroaches, flies, and mosquitoes that are carried away by the flood flow. Use an antiseptic to kill germs. Immediately use clean water supplies to reduce the risk of diarrhea because this disease most often affects flood victims. Try to always be alert in case of possible aftershock. Keep abreast of information about flooding from the media as well as officers in your community. Thank you for watching.